Have you ever purchased a digital download from Etsy and didn't know how to download it? Or maybe you downloaded it and now have no idea where to find it? Or maybe you even forgot to download it immediately after purchase and are thinking, I might have to buy this again. Well, if any of those questions have crossed your mind, then you are in the right place. Welcome to my art channel and today's bonus video. I want to give all of you the best possible chance of success when it comes to painting my tutorials. So to help you accomplish that, I offer affordable, printable downloads on my Etsy shop that you can download, print, and trace onto your watercolor paper to help your painting. Once in a while, I have people come to me that don't know how to download it onto their computer after they've purchased it. So in this quick video, I will walk you through step by step how to purchase and download these outlines onto your computer so they are available for printing. So first, let's go over how to download a digital PDF printable from Etsy immediately following a purchase. So here's my page. You go ahead and click on the outline that you want to purchase. Then after you click on it, over here to the right, you have two options: buy it now or add to your cart. So let's go ahead and do the add to the cart, just in case I might want to buy one of these amazing shirts at the same time. Now in the cart, you can see the items, how much it costs, etc. So when you're done shopping and you're ready to buy the download, click on proceed to checkout. Then one final screen pops up with your personal information and the products you're purchasing, the added tax, the total cost, etc. After you've looked it over and you've made sure the order is correct, click on the big black Place Your Order button. Now you know your order has been successful when this thank you for your order page pops up. But this is where I think people get tripped up because there's still a couple more steps to actually do to get the download onto your computer. So here to this right side, you'll see the button that says View Download with a little cloud image by it. After you click on that, it should pull up this little screen that will show the item you're downloading, and then all you have to do from here is click on the Download button. At this point, this digital file has now been officially downloaded onto your computer, but finding that download is the next part that can trip people up. So after you've hit that download button, immediately on your screen, there will be a little pop-up button that will appear somewhere on your computer. Mine is showing here on the bottom left-hand corner, but depending on your computer, it may show differently. It could be in the top right corner or maybe even somewhere else. So just make sure that you look around for it. When you find that pop-up button, you can click on it and it will show you right away the download on your computer, which you can then print out immediately by clicking on the printer icon in the upper right-hand corner, or you can exit out and look it up in your downloaded files and print it out at a later day. If you don't know how to find your downloaded files, I'll go over that really quickly at the end of this video. But right now, let's talk about what to do if you've already purchased the digital download off of Etsy, but you forgot to or you didn't know how to download it onto your computer immediately after purchase. The great news for you, at least as of right now, maybe it could potentially change in the future, and I'm not 100% sure about other Etsy sellers, but at least for me in my shop, once as you've purchased the digital download, it is available for you to download at any time. So let me show you how to do that. So first, you'll need to log into your Etsy account. Then when you're here at this home page, you'll come right up here and click on your profile account picture or icon. Once as you do this, it will pull down a little menu bar. Now move down that menu and click on the one that says Purchases. This will then bring up any purchases you have made on Etsy in the past. So scroll down and find the digital outline you're wanting to download. And you'll see that right off to the right side of this item, you'll see three options: Download Files, Help with Order, and View Receipt. So if you need any of those things, there they are. But for now, we're wanting the download button. Now, before moving on, I feel it's important to point out that there is a button on here that says buy this again. Now, things can change, but at least at the time I'm creating this video, you do not need to buy this again to download this again, unless for some reason the transaction was canceled or removed, or it's old and expired and is no longer available. Anyway, So when you click on this download button, it pulls up this download screen. So go ahead and click on the download button here to the right, and then just like before, wait and watch for that little pop-up button to appear somewhere on your screen. This is going to contain the file that you can then print right away or exit out and find it in your downloaded files and print out at a later time. Okay, let's talk about how to find your downloaded files on your computer. Now, full disclosure, I am not a big computer person, and computers vary and are changing all the time. But for me and my computer right now, when I want to find my files, I look for this little file-looking icon that looks something like this. Now, usually, I can easily find mine near the bottom of my home computer screen. After you've clicked on the File button, look for the computer icon that says This PC. I have it highlighted in blue if you want to see what that looks like. Then when you've clicked on This PC, it will pull up different files and folders that you might have on your computer. Look for the file folder that says Downloads, similar to this one here. Click on that Downloads folder, and then it will pull up the downloads on your computer. Mine even has sections of timelines for the downloads like today, last 4 months, etc. Now look for your printable flower PDF outline. Now, depending on the one you ordered, it may have a different name to it like almond blossoms or snowdrops or poppy outline, etc. Then alongside that file name, you'll also see the day and time it was downloaded, the file type, and the file size. Then you can click on that document that you want, and it will again pull up the outline that can then be printed out. And that's really all there is to it. I hope you found this little video helpful today when it comes to downloading these digital outlines. And don't forget to subscribe if you would like to create your own amazing watercolor art. If you've already purchased the digital download all right. How to purchase, download,